evening, General Agile, ladies and gentlemen.
Good evening.
This is Ozzy Goldman and my name is Charlie Dryhart. Dear citizens of our tortured country, we have just received very disturbing news from our main hospital in Joytown. Terrorism of Upper Mountains is finally prominent to the whole world through one of the most respected members of our government, Mother of Justice, Mary Goldenhorse. She is in hospital suffering from life-threatening dehydration. Unfortunately, she is not the only one. All of our hospitals are in lack of water and it's becoming harder for our patients to survive. In the whole country are big protests against Upper Mountain. Every citizen is furious, in panic and giving his best to keep their family alive. General Dry is having a speech at this moment in front of thousands of people who gathered in order to give support to all those people that are lying in hospital. Now we're listening to his speech live from the Capitol Square in front of the hospital. Let's hear it.
And it's unforgivable what the Upper Mountains did. Our nation is suffering because someone's itch for money and power. Through the hearts of all the nation you can feel yearning for survival, freedom, and normal life which all of us deserve. All of us under this sun have the same right to live. Why is this prerogative taken away from us? How can they abuse water as pure nature element for mean political manipulation? Now it's clear what their intentions are. They want to kill us all. How can they sleep at night?
We've talked to a doctor who is taking care of Mary Goldenhorse. Maria?
Unfortunately, today we are in hospital trying to find out what is going to happen to our highly respected member of Council of Mothers. Let's ask her doctor, what can you tell to us in such a shocking moment?
We are very concerned. The most honored mother is now completely powerless to point out justice, for which she dedicated her whole life.
You have a lot of patients that suffer from lack of water.
That's right. It's getting harder and harder to keep them alive, because every day we encounter with more problems with lack of water.
Can you tell us something more about mother's health?
Well, it's not sure, but we are very sorry to announce this tragic news. Mother of Justice is not expected to survive more than 48 hours unless we get water.
And the whole nation is feeling the same compassion. Back to studio.
Well, thank you, Maria. Those were really sad news. But there is hope. Resources Free Organization, whose one of the founders is Down a Mountain, decided to appeal on Upper Mountain to solve the crisis and let the water flow. They threatened them with sanctions unless they let us water in time limits of 48 hours. We're still expecting for answer and hoping that this crisis will end soon. Now, news about the preacher who was arrested a few days ago. By the advice of Resources Free Organization, we're seriously considering to set him free to his home, although he committed all these crimes. This would be our act of good faith for future. Another example of Upper Mountain's lies is when they try to accuse us for not legal transfer of money to our not existing offshore accounts. General Dry announced that if we had that money, we would use it only for helping people in hospitals getting better from this terrible situation. That was all, ladies and gentlemen. Good night.
Good night.